What if I told you? You could save 3+ lakh rupees every year on property valuations? Too good to be true. Let's make it real. Imagine this. You're juggling site visits, client calls, and tight deadlines. By the time you sit down to work on reports, you're exhausted. Manual calculations are taking up 75 hours every month, time and money slipping away. Think about the cost of mistakes. Hours of rework, right? What if valuations could be faster, smoother, and smarter, all at your fingertips? Wouldn't that make things easier? Introducing the ultimate time saver, our state-of-the-art appraisal app. Here's what you get with our app. No more repetitive data entry, input once, and let your reports update seamlessly. Tired of entering the same data over and over? With our Smart Sync technology, just input your data once and it flows effortlessly across your entire report. Say goodbye to manual updates and hello to accuracy, efficiency, and more time for what matters. No more manual errors or endless recalculations. Our app automates calculations for 8 property types, so you can sit back and relax. Getting everything organized has never been this easy. On the left, just fill in the details. Once done, the system automatically updates everything on the right, ensuring all information is neatly organized. And the best part? The calculator seamlessly fills every required section, so you don't have to. Say goodbye to messy inputs and hello to effortless automation. Imagine this. Handling 100 properties and saving 75 hours every month. That's more time for coffee breaks, or better yet, more business. Scale your operations effortlessly. Manage 3x more clients without breaking a sweat or adding extra hours to your day. And here's the best part. Wave goodbye to those boring, repetitive tasks. Complete your reports in under 15 minutes and focus instead on building client relationships and growing your business to the next level. So, you're ready to level up your valuations? Great! Head over to the description of this video and click on appraisal.fairvaluation.com and sign up in a flash. Oh, and here's a little something extra, 10 free reports on us. But wait, what's the catch? There isn't one. Just hit that sign up button and watch your property appraisals get faster, smarter, and way more fun. Let's do this.